go up in with family members that go through it and some type of situation happen and they got to go see the man with the white coat. Because, man, I'm not telling you to go up in there. Please, if something happened, go up in there. They got second to none technology. It's what they do when they try to keep you after you good. But when I'm in there, I pays attention. I don't never offer none of my little stuff up in there. You could get caught up in some legal issues. So I just pay attention. Like, hey, nurse, what's that in that bag? I know what it is. Sometimes I'll just look it up and type it in my phone. But I want to see if they going to tell me. And they tell me, oh, this is magnesium. Why do they need that? We're trying to relax the muscles. We're trying to actually relax the muscles in the body so that can actually go to sleep and also rejuvenate the body because a lot of people are deficient in magnesium. All right. What's that right there? Just kind of dark. Is that iron? It is. That iron right there, we have to actually infuse that with that potassium to make sure we can amplify the body even more. Now, how many they got to go through? Probably about 2 more bags. They give the number. I said, please talk layman's term. I don't want to hear all this liters and all that. Just 2 or 3 bags, about 2. And we're going to have the doctor check. What about that clear bag? What's in that? Is that saline? Well, it's more of a salt base, but it's saline and they have more innovative, but this will actually add more minerals to the body. And I said, so saline water it's kind of like salt water or the type of water that has all the nutrients and minerals that you need. Sea moss, like seaweed, like kelp, like Himalaya salt, sea salt, Celtic salt. You mean like those things? Wow. Like molasses. So they have their favorite they like to use, but one thing about it, they use it. They use it. And y'all don't pay attention. Press 4 if you know that they have places out here that you can literally go and get that stuff just like you go to the hospital. You can go get that done every 3 months on your own. You don't have to see no herbologists. You ain't got to see them. You can literally go into a small little shop. They have them. You can look them up that you can get alkaline. You can get vitamins. You can get actual calcium. You can get minerals. You can get any kind of boost you need. Just like your Starbucks, you can go up in there and get all that goodness and vitamin C, B. They'll be like, what you need today? C, B, D, what you want? We got your liquid for you. Huh? You want to be alkalized? pH, what you want? They'll hook you up. I wonder why they got them. Appreciate somebody people put 4. Some of y'all didn't know. Some people pressing 4. They know about it. I wonder why y'all don't go. But if you notice, it'd be a lot of people that's not African-American and brown going up in there. Every now and then you'll see what they call minority, but the majority, they be up in the thick because they know. So if you're not going to afford it to go in there and spend that few $100s to get your boost once a month or every other month, there are other things that's right there in this grocery store. You need to become your own apothecary mixer. So here we go. Let me give you some more information. Reference early, American pharmaceuticals, Caribbean herbal medicine text, and agriculture medicine. Case study right here. Let me give you a case study, all right? This case study right here was mineral deficiency and chronic illness. Say it one more time. Case study number 2, mineral deficiency. Chronic, that means you really in trouble. Illness. Science showed that a journal of the American College of Nutrition. Look it up, just in case you don't believe me. Look it up. Mineral deficiency linked to fatigue, nervous system, and actual blood sugar and inconsistency and adrenal stress. And the key thing they used was back in the day. Not now, back in the day. Because it would add, when you mix baking soda, it would add a temporary pH spike. Because your body, your blood likes to be at that 7.3, 7.4 pH. Check it out. Just Google it. I don't want to put too much stress on you. They like to be right there. But when you eat that food that we love so much, the body is designed to break it down in your digestive tract with the gallbladder and the liver and the pancreas. Okay? It sends enzymes and all kinds of stuff to break it down. And when you don't treat your organs right, you got to add enzymes to help it break it down, because your digestive tract, your stomach is way below 3 when it comes to acid to break down the trash that you put in your body. It's supposed to break it down. So all around with that, the blood is trying to maintain the pH balance of 7.2 to 7.4, right in between. So when you actually bring your pH way down, it ain't no different from you taking care of a non-hardy fish like saltwater fish. They have to have a nice balance of pH, slightly alkaline. When you don't treat your body that way, and it's way down there in the 5s, 4s, and 6s, just like your digestive tract, your stomach, just filthy. What you think gonna happen? You gonna come down with itis. So to combat that, what I do is I make sure that I make my own infused elixirs for myself and other people around me that want it. And I try to let you know what I do so you can do it yourself. We can't teach it no more. They don't want us to put, if you kind of been around for a minute and you've been teaching for a minute and you've been a beast for a minute and you got some credibility for a minute, oh, they don't want you talking. You already got stripes and you already in their algorithm, but you a loud mouth and you talking and you a truth teller. Oh, they already, I'm sketched in stone. I'm branded with the actual madness of the AI content. They don't like me. I'm on the list. Just like Rizza Islam. He on the list. Just like Nietzsche X. There's a lot of us on the list. Just like Yehudi Ma'abrad. Just like Tony Pasala. There's a lot of us on the list. So I'm still here teaching you to make sure, even though I'm on the damn list, I'm going to make sure you know what's up. Yeah, that's for sure. I'm going to make sure you know what's up. But yeah, while you actually putting them things together, you got to make sure you amplify your body. You got to make sure, like, okay, look, I went in this Thanksgiving. I went in coming up. I'm about to go in for Christmas. Because these are the days that massa plantation owners want to give us a day off. I've been there. I know what's up. I've been there. When you're worried about your PTO time. When you're trying to take some sick time and match it up to your off days. When you're trying to look at your actual check and look like, oh my God, do I got it? Have I accumulated one more sick day so I can take off again? Do I got to take off work to go see the doctor to get a slip to take off again? Oh, I've been there. Do I need to use some FMLA to take off weeks and months at a time? Oh, I know. Can we have a baby so I can get some time off from work? Master don't want you to get off work because time is money. Money's time. And they need your time. They need your energy. But they don't know how they breaking down your body. They know. But they got licensed people waiting in the cut to take care of you and I. But come on now. Why you out there giving up all your energy? Why you out there breaking down your body? Why are you forgetting about the sun? You need to replace vitamin D some kind of way. You need to replace the actual pH in your body. You need to make sure your hypothalamus gland in your brain, your pituitary gland in your brain, you need to make sure your third eye that you think ain't there, that might be still calcified, you need to make sure you actually detoxify. You need to make sure it stays at least okay. Who gonna take care of you better than you take care of you? Who? Stop giving up all your power to who you know you own the goddamn plantation. You know they ain't got your best interests at heart. You know God, the creator, the most high, put you here for a reason, not to be their goddamn slave all the time. Come home angry, mad, going to bed, going to sleep, waking up, still in the same frame of mind. You lost and you forgot who you is. So you don't always have to give all your energy and your power and your education to them. You don't have to always lean on them. Some of they understand it's good, not all. It's the reason I'm 52 years old and I don't look 52 years old. It's the reason why I'm not on no medication. None. It's a reason. Because you don't have to eat right all the time. Newsflash. Want to make sure I make it clean to you. I don't give a damn how you eat. Let me make sure I tell you. I don't care what. I ain't telling you to be no vegetarian. I ain't telling you to be no vegan. I ain't telling you no planetarian, no paleo. I don't care how you eat. Let me make sure I keep it real. I just want to make sure you replenish and you make sure you eliminate. Replenish, eliminate. Replenish, eliminate. If you're going to eat, replenish, eliminate. If you're going to eat, replenish, eliminate. Eat, replenish, eliminate. Eat, replenish, eliminate. Eat, replenish, eliminate. That's it. If you don't replenish, you can't eliminate the crap that you eat. That's wrong. If you don't amplify the antioxidants, the minerals, and actually keep your pH level at least 60% good weekly, what you think gonna happen? You gonna come down with something, and then you gonna be diagnosed with something that you feel you never gonna come out of. You're gonna be scared, and your family gonna, how can we make your life better in the last days you have? That's for sure. I done seen it time and time again. I know my day is coming one day. And then I'm sitting here, I got all the answers, but I be damned if I'm not happy while I'm living. So I'm gonna kind of eat what I want, but not everything that I want. Come on now. Everybody knows that's a natural healer. That pork whips through your digestive tract and actually just sits and start adding all kinds of different types of worms. So if you're gonna have that pork, and I can't mess with the pork. If you're gonna have that pork, you need to be taking some type of apple cider vinegar before or after, right when you eat it, or a digestive enzyme, right when you eat it. Go ahead and get it in. Take a digestive enzyme so your body can be like, hey, good looking homie, this stuff right here is hard to digest. Help me out. You gonna have some beef? Really? You know beef takes about 6, 7, 12 hours to digest. So if you adding other foods that want to go first before the meat, and you causing a traffic jam, and the meat say, hey, I gotta come out first. The fruit saying, nah, man, you know we come out within less than an hour. Let us go first. The body don't know how to just be like, hey, look, I'm gonna let the fruit come out first. I'm gonna let the vegetables come out first before you meat. They ate a lot of meat today. The body don't know how to turn that off. The body gonna say, nah, we got to get rid of this meat first. So what happens? The fruits and the vegetables and the meat is fermented in your body. It's literally fermenting.